Hello, I'm going to show you how to invite your teachers to do their letters of recommendation. So log into your Common application and then go to the College Search tab. Once you're in the College Search tab, you can type in the name of the college that you would like to add to your college list. So whatever that school would be, type that in. You'll see it show up here and check that little plus button. Now the college will show up in your My Colleges tab. So if you've not added your schools, please do that first. Then go into the My Colleges tab, choose whichever school that you want to invite that teacher to, and do this drop down here and see Recommenders and FERPA. When you click on that, you'll see a FERPA release authorization. You may have to sign that if it does not have a check mark next to it. When you do that, you'll be asked to approve that you have read and understood the information, and then you'll be asked to waive your right to review the recommendations. You need to select the one that says, I waive my right. That is what the colleges will be expecting you to do. It does mean you will not see the letter of recommendation, but this is the correct one to select. Type in your name, type in the date of today, the day you are actually signing this, and then click Save and Close. Once you save it, you'll get a green check here as well. Then invite your recommenders. So click this, do Invite Teacher, type in the name of the teacher and their email address. I'm just going to put in some fake ones here just to show you. And then choose the subject and put in the information of their name. I'm just putting in some nonsense stuff in here so that you can see them show up later. At the bottom, you'll see that it's asking if you'd like to connect them to this specific college. So go ahead and say yes, if that's the one you're sending it to. Click Invite, and you will see them show up right here. Now this teacher is assigned to this university. If you want to have them show up on other universities, you have to connect them under each individual college. So they are just assigned to this first college that you added them to. In order to add them to others, you have to go into that college, click the Recommenders in FERPA, and then you will see under the teacher, it has a drop-down menu. So you can choose that teacher you put in and assign it. That's the only way that that college will get that letter of recommendation. If you want to invite another teacher, you can do that as well. So put that stuff in here. And you can see that I am assigning that teacher in here. So now there are two teachers under this college. When I go to the next college, you will see that I will have options to assign either one of those teachers. So if the school only allows you to assign one teacher, then you have to choose which one that is and assign that. For your counselor, it will be a little bit easier. So you'll put in the counselor information, same thing with their email address, and then put in their name and invite them, and they will connect to the college automatically. You will see that if you go into the other colleges, that they will be automatically connected to every college. This only happens with a counselor, but as you can see, does not happen with a teacher. So you will need to assign the teacher under each college. So make sure you do that under each college that you want them to answer for. If you want to take out a college, you can do that by removing the college under your My Colleges tab. If you want to take out a teacher, you can also do that here by managing recommenders. You can delete a teacher if you put in a teacher here incorrectly, if you misspelled a name, or if you need to change out your teachers. Be aware that once you add a teacher in here, it will send them an email saying that you have invited them to fill out an application. So make sure you have the correct information and all of the teachers that you want before you begin doing this. If you have any questions, as always, let me know.